ಗುಡ್ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್, ಗುಡ್ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ನಾವು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ವರ್ಣಮಾಲೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು, ಮತ್ತು ವರ್ಣಮಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಭಾಗಗಳಿವೆ, ಅವುಗಳು ಯಾವುವು ಮತ್ತು ಅವು ಎಷ್ಟು ವಿಧವಾಗಿವೆ ಅವು ಅಂತ ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ, ಇವತ್ತಿನ ದಿವಸ ನಾವು ಗುಣಿತಾಕ್ಷರ, ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ನೀವು ಗುಣಿತಾಕ್ಷರಗಳನ್ನು ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ. ಗುಣಿತಾಕ್ಷರವನ್ನ ಹೇಗೆ ಓದೋದು ಮತ್ತೆ ಬರೆಯೋದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ರಿವೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಅದರಿಂದ ಬರುವ ಪದಗಳನ್ನು ನಾವು ಕಲಿಯೋಣ ಇವತ್ತು. ಅವುಗಳನ್ನು ಓದಿ ಮುಂದಿನ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಒತ್ತಕ್ಷರ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, ಒತ್ತಕ್ಷರ ಹೇಗೆ ಬರೀಬೇಕು, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ವಿಧಗಳು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ನಾನು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವು ಗುಣಿತಾಕ್ಷರ ಮತ್ತೆ ಅದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಇರೋ ಪದಗಳನ್ನ ಮತ್ತೆ ಅದರ ವಾಕ್ಯಗಳನ್ನ ನಾವು ಇವತ್ತೇ ನೋಡೋಣ, ಆಯ್ತಾ. ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ, ಮೊದಲಿಗೆ ಗುಣಿತಾಕ್ಷರ ಬರೆಯೋಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮೊದಲು ನಾವು ಏನ್ ಕಲಿಬೇಕು, ಗುಣಿತಾಕ್ಷರಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಬರೆಯೋಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮೊದಲು ನಮ್ಗೆ ಕಾಗುಣಿತಗಳು ಗೊತ್ತಿರ್ಬೇಕು, ಹೌದಾ. ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ ಕಾಗುಣಿತ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ. ಸಿ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಲರ್ನ್ಡ್ in the last class, we learned ವರ್ಣಮಾಲೆಗಳು, in that how many divisions are there and what are those, and with the help of that varnamale, which simple letters words we can read or write, we learned last time. Today we will learn gunitaksharagalu or ballis, barakadis. Okay, now this also you learnt in the last year, but even though we will practice or we will revise one more time today, and after finishing that gunitakshara we have to write some simple words using that gunitaksharagalu and some simple sentences also. Okay, now we'll start the gunitakshara. Before we start the gunitakshara, we have to learn kagunitagalu. Yes, see, we'll see now kagunitagalu. ಕಾಗುಣಿತಗಳು are matras. Okay, ಕಾಗುಣಿತಗಳು are matras. ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಕಾಗುಣಿತಗಳು? ಕಾಗುಣಿತಗಳು ಯಾವುವು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ we will write all the swara. Okay, then it is easy to remember you. E, U, then Ru, A, I, O, Au, and Aha. Okay, see, now first before that we will write 3 lines for all. Okay, this everybody knows. Okay, everybody wrote this in the last year. Okay, you can write this in the 2 line also, or you can write this in the 3 line also. I am showing today to write 3 line. See, how to write? Like this. Okay, A like this, E, Dirgha, then U. It should come front of this, not below of this. Okay, then next, U. Yes, then ru. Yes, ru you can't see. I will show you ru again here. Okay, ru, it will come like this, up and make it down. Yes, understand now? Yes. Now A. A only upper line, it will come like this. Okay. Next A. A, it will come and dirgha. Okay. Now next I. Yes. Okay. O. This also it will come front only. Okay. Then again it will come same and dirgha will come. Okay. Then au first line only. Like this. Okay. And aha I will show you here. Okay. And aha. You have to make it combo and front this 0. Okay. The next one, aha, last one. Yes? Understand all of you? All the ಕಾಗುಣಿತಗಳು remind you? ರಿವಿಷನ್ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ? ಓಕೆ. ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ, ಇದಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ನಾವ್ ಇವನ್ ಹೇಗ್ ಬರೆಯೋದಪ್ಪ ಲೆಟರ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ಯಾವುದೇ ಲೆಟರ್ ಅನ್ನ ಬರೀರಿ, ನಾವು ಅ ಲೆಟರ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಕ ಖ ಗ ಘ ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಆ ಅಂತ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸಿ ಕ ಗ ಮ. See, like this only. For all the letter it will come like this. Okay. Then one more letter cha. Any letter. A ki matra will come like this only. For any letter. Okay. Understand? Like this only. E ki matra also. E ki matra also it will come for all the letter like this only. With example I will show you. See. Ki. Then li. Si. Then vi. Like this, e ki matra will come like this. Okay? Understand no? Like that only u ki matra. Here next big e ke liye dirgha aayega. That much only difference. Okay? Now o. O, which letter we will write? Gu. Yes? Ghu. Bu. Here also, you have to remember if O ki matra means it will come. Yes? Understand no? Now, next is U. U ki matra ke liye kya hoga? Big U ke liye? It will come like this. Only front one will come like this. Yes, no? Okay. Now, ru ki matra. How it will come ru ki matra? For all the letter. Example only I am showing some letters. Like this. Ru. Kru. Understand? Okay. Yes. Next. Ru ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? What will come after ru? A. A ಹೇಗೆ ಬರೆಯೋದಪ್ಪ? ಫಸ್ಟಿಗೆ ಕ ಬರೆಯೋದು. Next you have to make it round. Yes, this is the K. How is the A ki matra? Like this. For all the letter, it will come like this only. See, we'll write this one. Big ch. Yes? Ch is there, no? Make it like this. Okay? Then, say. Understand? Ray. Okay? Big K, छे से के लिए सिर्फ दीर्घ आएगा. Okay? Understand now? Now, next, O की मात्रा. O की मात्रा ಬರಿಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಸೇಮ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಮುಂದೆ O की ಮಾತ್ರಾ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. See, Now which letter I will write? J. Jo ಬರೆಯೋಣ. Jo. First you have to write J. After that A ki matra and O ki matra. Understand? Now like this only. Which letter we will write? To. Yes? To. To. Yes? Now big O की मात्रा के लिए ऐसे दीर्घ आएगा. For all the letter it will come like this only. Okay? Now au. Au. Au ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರೆಯೋದಪ್ಪ? First you have to write ki matra. Yes. Then you have to make it here kombu and a ki matra. Yes. Everybody remember, no? This is the au ki matra. Any bow, sau, gau, rau, anything you can use. Like this only au ki matra will come for all the letters. Okay. Now see. Here wa is there. Here also you have to make it like this. Wow. Yes. Now rau. Understand all of you? Yes. Now and aha. How to write and aha? You have to write which letter is this? J. Jum. Yes. Then jaha. Only this is difference. Okay. Other than everything is same. For all the letters it will come same only. Come. Kaha. Yes. Ram. Raha. Pam. Paha. Understand? All the letters you remember now? Yes. Now you can write any letter Gunitakshara. You can write in the rough notebook and practice. Okay? Any 10 letter you have to write in your rough notebook. Okay? Yes. Any 10 letter which you like. Okay? Next. ಈಗ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ, ನಾವೀಗಾಗಲೇ ಗುಣಿತಾಕ್ಷರ ಕಲ್ತ್ವಿ, ರಿವೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಗುಣಿತಾಕ್ಷರಗಳಿಗೆ ಹೊಂದಿರೋ ಅಂತ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ, ಒಂದಿಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಗಳನ್ನ ಓದೋಣ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅವೇ ಲೆಟರ್ಸ್ ಗಳನ್ನ ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಕಳಿಸ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಅವನ್ ನೀವು ನೋಟ್ಬುಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ರಫ್ ನೋಟ್ಬುಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀರಿ. ಓಕೆ? ಎಸ್. ನಾವ್ ಸಿ ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ನ್ಯೂ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್, ನ್ಯೂ ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ನಾಟ್ ಟೀಚಿಂಗ್ ನೌ. After the holidays, I will teach Vattaksharagalu that you have to write in your new book. Yes, after they will giving you in the school, you can write in that. Okay, don't take any tension if you are not getting the book. Okay, after you are getting book only, I will give you to write new one in the notebook. Understand, children? Okay. Now, see, ಈಗ ನಾವೇನ್ ಕಲಿತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ನಲ್ಲ, ಪದಗಳನ್ನ. ಓಕೆ, ವಿಲ್ ರೈಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಪದಗಳು. ಎಸ್, ನೋಡಿ, ಯಾರು ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ, ಒಂದ್ ಪದ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ ನೀವು. ನಿಮ್ ಹತ್ರ ಇರೋ ಗೋಡೆಗೆ ನೀವೇನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಿ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ? ಗೋಡೆ. ಹೌದಾ? ವಾಲಿಗೆ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಿ? ವಾಲ್. ವಾಲ್ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಈ ವಾಲ್ಗೆ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಿ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ? ಗೋಡೆ. ಎಸ್, ವಿಲ್ ರೈಟ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, ಗೋಡೆ. ಎಸ್, ಸಿ, ಗೋಡೆ. You can also write, no? Yes, like this only. What you have to do? Any words you can say in Kannada, please try to write that one. If it is wrong also, okay, you have to try this one. Okay, children, you will try, no? Yes. Now, gode. Finish, no? Now, next one. What is this, children? What is this? This is the paper. Yes? Paper ನಾವು ಏನಂತೀವಿ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ? ಕಾಗದ. ಎಸ್ ನೋಡಿ, ಕಾಗದ, ಕಾಗದ. Understand all of you? Yes. Now third one. What is this? What is this? Ears. Ears ಗೆ ನಾವು ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ? ಕಿವಿ. Yes. How to write kiwi? Kiwi. Yes. Kiwi. Okay. Now next one. Fourth one. Bigger. Everybody know lock, no? Lock. Everybody know the lock, no? How it is? Like this. Yes, this is the lock. Yes, everybody saw this, no? Okay, that lock we will call it as in the Kannada bigger. Okay, how to write bigger? This is the lock. Understand? Okay. Now next one is ಶೀಪಿಗೆ ನಾವೇನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ? ಶೀಪಿಗೆ ಯಾರಿಗಾದ್ರೂ ಗೊತ್ತಾ? ಶೀಪಿಗೆ ನಾವೇನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ? ಕುರಿ. ಎಸ್, ಕುರಿ. How to write? How to write? First you have to write ka, ki matra, then ri. Kuri. Yes, you can also read, no? Okay. Now uru. How to write? Uru means what? Village or town, whatever. We will call it as a uru. Where you are going, which place you are going means it's one place, we will call it as a uru. Okay. ಇದು ಟೌನೇ ಆಗಿರ್ಬಹುದು ಅಥವಾ ವಿಲೇಜ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬಹುದು. ಓಕೆ, ನೀವೆಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನೀವೇನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ? ನಾನು ಊರಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಲ್ಲ. ಊರು ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ವಿಲೇಜ್ ಆರ್ ಟೌನ್, ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್. ಎಸ್, ಓಕೆ. ಊರು. ಹೌ ಟು ರೈಟ್? ಊರು. ಸಿ, ಐ ಆಮ್ ನಾಟ್ ಸೇಯಿಂಗ್ ಊರು. I am saying loudly oo. Okay, which oo will come, children? Sixth one, oo. Yes, roo. See how ma'am is pronouncing. Please carefully remember that one. Uru. You have to remember how to pronounce also. Okay? Yes. Now next one. Next one is home. ಹೋಮ್ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? ಮನೆ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಹೌದಾ? ಮನೆ ಅನ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಮ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಆದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಹೆಸರು ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಗೃಹ ಅಂತಾನು ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಗೃಹ. ಓಕೆ, ಸಿ ಹೌ ಟು ರೈಟ್? ಗೃ. ಗ ಅಂಡ್ ರೂಕಿ ಮಾತ್ರ. ಗೃಹ. Yes, gruha means money, home. Okay, house, whatever. Understand now? Okay. Now, eighth one. Gere. See, what is this, children? Line. Yes, this is the line. Okay, line ಗೆ ನಾವು ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ? ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೆ ಗೆರೆ ಹಾಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೆ ಗೆರೆ ಹಾಕು. ಎಸ್, ಹಿಯರ್ one point is there, here one point is there. Both the point you have to join. Make a line. You will tell no in English. That only ನಾವೇನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ? ಗೆರೆ ಹಾಕಿರಿ. Make a line. Understand? Okay. Now, ಏನಂತೀವಿ ನಾವು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ? ಗೆರೆ. ಗೆ. How to write? ಗೆ. Re. Se. Re. Gere. Yes? Understand? Now, next one. Ninth one. What is this, children? You can read. You can read this one. Chelu. Chelu. Chelu means Scorpio. Scorpio. How to this one? We'll do this one. Scorpio. ಏನ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದು ಕಡಿತೈತಲ್ಲ ಎಸ್ ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಕಚ್ಚಿ ಬಿಡುತ್ತದಲ್ಲ ಅದ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬೈಟ್ ನೋ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬೈಟ್ ಇಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಬೈಟ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಟೂ ಡೇಂಜರ್ ಎಸ್ ಓಕೆ ನೌ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಚೇಳು ಸ್ಕಾರ್ಪಿಯೋ ಎಸ್ ನೌ 10th one ಐರಾವತ What is the meaning of Airavata? I told you everybody. Yes, in the second standard I told you. What is the meaning of Airavata? Yes, very good. Airavata means Aane. Airavata means Aane. Aane ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಹೆಸರು ನಾವೇನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ Airavata. Okay? How to write? Airavata. Yes, you can write no? Okay, very good. Now, next one. Kode. Kode. 11th one. Kode means umbrella. Umbrella. Okay. Next one. 12th one. Koli. Koli means hen. Hen. Koli. Okay. Now, next one. Nauke. Now ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರೀತೀರಿ ನೀವು ಅವಕಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರೀತೀರಾ ಓಕೆ ಎಸ್ ನೋ ನೌಕೆ ನೌಕೆ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಬೋಟ್ ಎಸ್ ನೌಕೆ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಬೋಟ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 14th one Kanda. See here, which letter is this, children? Come. Kanda. See, only if you are writing only this much, what it will, how we will pronounce? Kada. Yes, but here middle amki matra is there. Yes, that's why what we will call this one, how to read we will Kanda. Kanda. Yes? Understand all of you? How to pronounce this? Okay. Now, next one is 15th one. 14th one is Kanda. Now, 15th one is Anthakarana. This also you learnt in the last year. Yes? Anthakarana. Anthakarana means what I told you? Anthakarana means किसी को बुरा लगाए तो, किसी को कुछ हुआ तो, उसको देख के हमारा मन को कुछ लगता है ना, उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? अंतःकरण. मन का अंदर का मन. ओके? अंदर का मन का शक्ति रहता है ना, वो अंतःकरण. हमको उसको देख के एक तरफा फील होता है ना, उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? अंतःकरण. Understand all of you? See here, what is this, children? Aha ki matra. Okay? If this is not there, how we will read? Only this you read? Anta. Yes? Anta. When it will come here, Antah. Amtah. Amtah. Yes? Next, Ka. Ra. Na. Okay? Amtah karana. Amtah karana. How to read? Understand? Antah karana. Understand all of you? Now, see, all of you know now words. Okay? Now, I am giving you some sentences here. Try to read and write this one time in your rough notebook. Okay. Sorry. ಗುಲಾಬಿ ಹೂವು ತುಂಬಾ ಸುಂದರವಾಗಿದೆ. ಗುಲಾಬಿ ಹೂವು Yes. Who will read this one? Please try to read. I will give you 1 minute. Yes? Please try. Okay. Now I will show you how to read this one. Okay. See? Gulabi. Gulabi. Who. Tumba. Tumba. ಸುಂದರವಾಗಿದೆ. ಗುಲಾಬಿ ಹೂ ತುಂಬಾ ಸುಂದರವಾಗಿದೆ. Yes, ಗುಲಾಬಿ means rose, flower, बहुत or more. ಸುಂದರವಾಗಿದೆ, beautiful. Okay, rose is very beautiful. Understand? Okay. Now next one. ನಮ್ಮ ಊರು ನಮಗೆ ಚಂದ. This one don't want, because here in the next word I will show you, but I will tell that first word. Okay, because this they given in your notebook, textbook. That's why I am giving same sentences only. ನಮ್ಮ ಊರು ನಮಗೆ ಚಂದ. See children, this you can read. No, this you, some people you know. I hope somebody is learnt. But everybody can read this one? No, because this is the Vattakshara. You don't know, till now I didn't taught you. Okay? That's why I will tell this one. This you have to read. Okay? Namma means our. Okay? Uru, village or town. Namage, our. Chanda, beautiful. Our village is for us beautiful. Okay? Our village is for us beautiful. Okay? See, ನಮ್ಮ ಊರು ನಮಗೆ ಚಂದ. ನಮ್ಮೂರು ಯಾವಾಗ್ಲೂ ನಮಗ್ ಚಂದ ಅನಿಸ್ತೈತಲ್ಲ. ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ನೀವ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಲ್ಲ, ನಮ್ಮೂರು ಬಹಳ ಚಂದ ಐತಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ ನಾವು. See, that is only our village is for us very good or very nice. Understand? Okay. Now, next sentence. Third one. Karnatakada Rajdhani Bengaluru. Here also they given Vattakshara only. First word. Karnatakada Rajdhani Bengaluru. Yes, here see, this is the Vattakshara. That's why you don't know this word. I will tell you how to read this. Next time, this only you have to practice. Yes, when you are writing, see and write like this only. Okay, only in every letter only 1 or 2 words are there that they given in the textbook. That's why I am giving this one. Okay, only 3 sentences I am giving. 4th sentence you don't write, because in that 2 words are there. I don't want to teach you that one. Okay, this much only you learn today. ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದ. ಎವ್ರಿಬಡಿ ನೋ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಇಸ್ ಅವರ್, ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅವರ್, ನಮ್ಮ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಏನ್ ನಮ್ದು, ಏನು ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಹೌದಲ್ಲ, ಹೌದು, ಓಕೆ, ಎಸ್. ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ, ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದ ರಾಜಧಾನಿ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು. ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದ ರಾಜಧಾನಿ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರೀಡ್, ಸಿ, ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದ, ಯು ಲೀವ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್, ಓಕೆ. ರಾಜಧಾನಿ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು. ಹೌ ಟು ಪ್ರೊನೌನ್ಸ್, ಕೇರ್ಫುಲಿ ಲಿಸನ್. ರಾಜ, I didn't tell you Rajadhani, okay, because here big da is there, okay, that's why how to pronounce this, Rajadhani, Rajadhani, okay. Next, Bengaluru, Bengaluru. Understand all of you? ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದ ರಾಜಧಾನಿ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು. Which is the capital of Karnataka? Bengaluru is the capital of Karnataka. Yes? Okay. Now fourth one we don't want. Okay? Because in that two Vattakshara are there. That's why we will learn that one after you learn the Vattakshara. Understand? Now please, which I am sending you textbook, what is there you have to practice, that I will send you what you have to write in the notebook or in the rough notebook, okay, that you have to write. What you have to write? Homework is Balli, any 10 Ballis. First one. Okay, now second one, words, words one time, and sentences one time. Okay, this much you have to write. Okay, children, have a nice day, and after this holidays are there, 3rd onwards, please enjoy your holidays. Okay, have a nice day, children. Thank you.